In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MavilimW in TradingView Pro. We're going to keep this really simple and straightforward, so you can follow along even if you're fairly new to TradingView or to indicators in general. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the MavilimW signal and how to add it to your chart. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at for this part, as long as you can see the main chart area with the candlesticks. At the top of the TradingView interface, you'll see a toolbar that runs horizontally across the screen. Look for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in and community-created tools live. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. When you do, a new window or panel will pop up, usually in the center or on the side of your screen. Inside this Indicators window, you'll notice a search box at the top. This is the easiest way to find a specific indicator without scrolling through huge lists. Click directly on that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, type in MavilimW signal. Be sure you spell it correctly so TradingView can pull up the right result. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the list of indicators below the search bar. You should see MavilimW signal appear in the results. When it shows up, simply click on it once. As soon as you click it, TradingView will automatically add the MavilimW indicator to your current chart. You'll see new lines, signals, or visual elements appear over your price action, depending on how the script is designed. From here, you can hover over the indicator name at the top left of your chart to access settings, change colors, or adjust inputs if you want to customize how it looks or behaves. If you're using TradingView Pro or considering upgrading, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support content like this at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks additional features in TradingView that can make working with indicators like MavilimW a lot smoother, especially if you like running multiple charts or tools at the same time. That's all there is to it. You've opened the indicators panel, used the search box, found the MavilimW signal, and added it to your chart inside TradingView Pro.